So someone that I would recommend to work at Joyland is someone that's so I went to school for residential modeling. Pretty much you learn a little bit of everything in the trades, roofing, plumbing, electrical. So I think that pretty much, helped me get my start here. Once I graduated, they sent us, what's hiring in the area. I graduated, in the midst of COVID. On the inside, it wasn't really hiring because you had to be 6 feet apart. Roofing was one of those things that were essential. So I applied. I seen Joyland Roofing. I applied. I would say, I believe the same day I got a call back from them. My first interview with Kurt, and then, another follow-up interview with Kurt and Kevin. At first it was super exciting starting here, a new job, graduating from trade school. So that was fun. A great learning experience, just honing my skills that I learned from college, getting ready to, put them to use in the field. So when I first started out, I started out on the crew. Pretty much, get in here before sunup, start tearing off roofs, and hopefully, we're putting shingles back on before noon. After, I graduated from the crew, I kind of became like a floater, pretty much helping out wherever I was needed, meaning on the crew if they needed help on replacement, or if the gutter crew needed help, installing a larger gutter. Now that was my position there. I would go out and help them. After that, I started to be the repair tech secondhand, pretty much learning, picking up everything that I needed to be proficient in my repair tech role now. And here we are. So someone that I would recommend to work at Joyland is someone that's, energetic, someone that wants to learn, someone that's putting their best foot forward, someone that stays positive even on the busy days, and someone that is willing to go the extra mile to help out. I'll say that the culture at Joyland is very welcoming. They welcome you with open arms. If you're willing to learn and you're teachable, that's one of the great aspects of Joyland. They teach you everything that you need to be successful here at work.